Following a survey by Social Weather Station that yielded positive results regarding self-rated hunger, the Department of Social Welfare and Development is aiming to expand the number of Walang Gutom program beneficiaries. The agency targets reaching 600,000 beneficiaries by the end of 2025. Dan Duhilio has the report.
The Walang Gutom program of the Department of Social Welfare and Development has shown clear progress as hunger incidents among its beneficiaries have dropped, proof that the program implementation is effective. Based on the latest data from the Social Weather Station, hunger incidents among beneficiaries of the DSWD's Walang Gutom program has decreased to 41.9% from 47.1% in October 2024. The result was shared during the DSWD's Thursday Media Forum on September 11, where the agency emphasized that the program's impact is especially felt by families where women are the primary food planners. According to Camille Antaguba, Deputy Program Manager of the Walang Gutom program, there are currently around 300,000 registered beneficiaries, but only 288,000 are actively participating. She added that the government aims to reach 600,000 beneficiaries by the end of 2025.
Sa ngayon po, ang programa po ay naka-onboard po sa atin is 300,000 beneficiaries. However po, ang active beneficiaries po natin is around 288,000. Start na po sila
based sa CBMS.
Sa listahan na po,
okay.
Yung first 100,000. And then yung next 200,000 po ay kakadating lang po, I think this week nung data po from CBMS. So doon po namin malalaman kung so ngayon po, yun nga, pinag-aaralan po ng aming mga principals kung saan po yung magiging expansion. But ang target po this year, ma-onboard na po yung buong 600.
She also noted that there is a directive from the DSWD Secretary to potentially include former members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, Moro National Liberation Front, and the New People's Army in the list of eligible beneficiaries. However, she clarified that they will still undergo proper verification and validation before being formally included in the Walang Gutom program.
Expand, magdagdag ng beneficiaryo. Sa ngayon po, kasi po, alam naman po natin na yung listahanan na ating ginagamit ay matagal na. So, ang hinihintay po talaga natin yung CBMS na data, nakakadating lang po sa department. So ngayon po, ang mangyayari ay may 100,000 families na currently ongoing na po, magsa-start na po sila
based sa CBMS.
Sa listahan na po,
okay.
Yung first 100,000. And then yung next 200,000 po ay kakadating lang po, I think this week nung data po from CBMS. So,
in the end, the DSWD remains committed to implementing the Walang Gutom program, which aligns with President Marcos' vision that no Filipino family should go hungry.
So kami po sa Walang Gutom program ay nakikiisa sa desire ng ating presidente na walang pamilyang nagugutom, especially by 2027. So kami po ay patuloy na gumagawa ng mga inisyatibo, mga surveys, mga pag-aaral upang masiguro na ang ating programa ay patuloy na nagiging epektibo upang ma-reach out po natin yung lahat ng mga pamilyang nagugutom.
Dan Duhilio for EuroTV News.
Hi, I'm Alvin Pelabello. Catch the late night news on EuroTV Newsthread, only here at EuroTV Philippines. You may also watch our delayed telecast at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website, eurotvph.com, for more news and information.